A potato and your dinner is ready in just minutes. On a cutting board, let's start by slicing the potato very thinly. Then set these aside. In a bowl, let's crack 3 eggs. Add a little salt. Set this aside. In a frying pan, add a bit of oil. Next, add the potato slices. After lightly frying the potatoes, pour the eggs on top. Then cover and wait until the eggs begin to set. Once firm, uncover and add some mozzarella, ham and onion. After that, just fold it over. Let's wait for the cheese to melt slightly. About 2 minutes or so. And now folks, just slice and enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. See you next time and thanks.